Alright, this is Mod M15 coming here from the frozen wastelands of Wisconsin. As you can see, we wear shorts in the winter. And I'm going to start up my Barracuda just because it's March, and despite the weather seemingly to the contrary, I think it's going to clear up nicely and I will be able to drive it soon. So for those of you who want to know, this is a 50 Cadillac. And I've had this thing on the charger for about 2-3 hours now. Oh, I cannot wait to drive this thing. The second rain cannot come soon enough.